Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. This video is about the bi-state COVID vaccine and its popularity in the United States. So as we move forward, I would love if you like this video, share it with your loved ones and subscribe to our channel so that we can keep bringing you informative news regularly. So as the other big organizations who have been arranging people to get vaccinated quickly against the COVID-19, the bi-state health has not stayed behind in getting people of various phases to get vaccinated and get more and more people involved in the vaccination procedure. The website, as they have mentioned, have out information for COVID-19 vaccination procedure and how you can schedule an appointment, also how you are eligible to get yourself vaccinated recently or not. So, as they talk about it, the phase 2 of group 2, which belong to the phase 2 people, can start getting vaccinated from February 18th, and this includes people of above 65 years of age and of people who are 16 plus with more than two medical conditions worsening day by day, as it might affect the COVID-19 virus might affect these people the most. So that is why they fall in the group which needs special attention and immediate care of the vaccination. Also, the residents and staff of low income and affordable senior housing can get can get themselves vaccinated and fall into this category. People do not require to submit a medical record or note from their doctor, and the scheduling of appointment in this group can start appointing from February 18th. So there are several FAQs that have been mentioned for people and their knowledge. You can also make an appointment easily by providing some of your basic details and making them believe that you fall in the phase 2 category. Also, there are several facts that have been stated on the website regarding the coronavirus vaccine effects. As they say it, that the vaccination procedure is aimed to saving more and more people from dying of the COVID-19 virus, and so that people can get better easily and very quickly, and it should not affect more people as it already has done by far. Also, there are several other information pieces regarding to the Center of Disease Control, how the vaccination procedure has been under its guidance and under its procedures, and about the Massachusetts COVID-19 vaccination program, of how people can get themselves uh, aware about the ongoing vaccination process. So the scheduling of the phase 2 vaccination is a state run process and requires you to fill out your eligibility criterias and whether you fall in that state or not. You or can also inquire about how you can get vaccinated and how safe and effective it is, and what you should expect when you are getting vaccinated and after effects of it, and how is the vaccine developed. So all the information can be found easily. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel so that we can keep bringing you informative news. Thank you.